The Chemical Industries Education and Training Authority, or CHIETA for short, is the authority in developing skills in 9 subsectors of the South African economy. They view nanoscience as one of the 4th industrial revolution skills, a skill that can be integrated into all these subsectors and more. So, what exactly is nanoscience? In a nutshell, nanoscience is the study of matter at the atomic level, using microscopes. Nano refers to 1 billionth of a meter, known as a nanometer. It seeks to find, explain, and change the unique properties of matter at nanoscale. What then do nanoscientists do? Nanoscientists use specialized microscopes to study and observe nanoparticles to understand how their atoms behave. Once they understand these invisible particles at atomic or molecular level, they can find ways to adapt them. They can strengthen yet lighten products, making them last longer and work better. They can even make things that self-clean. Here are some nano examples. Through nanoscience, the surface coatings industry created a surface coating that is graffiti resistant. And the glass industry created a scratch-resistant lens. The effect of water bouncing off clothes and tents was also made possible by nanoscience. Cool, right? To become a nanoscientist, you need a 3-year undergraduate degree, followed by a 1-year postgraduate degree. This will give you 4 years in a related subject, such as biology or molecular biology, biochemistry or chemical biology, chemistry, computer science, electronics, material science, or physics. Next, you need to complete a master's science degree in nanoscience. There are a few programs to choose from here in South Africa. When it comes to the work environment, us nanoscientists mostly work in high-tech laboratories that are quiet, highly controlled and hygienic. This could be in a medical company or a science research facility, where we have to wear protective gear and adhere to safety and privacy protocols at all times. If you love solving problems and are fascinated by unseen microscopic elements, nanoscience might just be for you. Get out there and find out more about this future career. For more information, visit www.chieta.org.za. You can also contact the Career Development Services call center on 086 999 0123 or send a please call me or WhatsApp to 072 204 5056.